Then I'm gonna talk about the monitoring system. Okay, so this is the device which is used to monitor the operation of the battery system. We call it the Wi-Fi module. This is the overall view of it. Okay, there are three lights on it: the net, calm, and a ready light. And on its lower part, there is a QR code, the serial number, and the password. As soon as you insert the Wi-Fi module to the inverter, you will see the calm and the ready lights turn on and off alternately. Okay, so when the Wi-Fi is connected, the net and the calm lights will be constantly on. Look at here, COM 2 is for the Wi-Fi module. So here comes the points of the monitoring system. When you succeed in installing the Wi-Fi module to the inverter, then we should download an app called Solomon Business. You can also ask your customer to download Solomon Smart. Download the app, then register an account on the app and create a power plant. Add a Wi-Fi module logger to your power plant. At last, set the network of your Wi-Fi module. So when you have the app on your phone, first register an account on the app and click the upper right corner of the app here. This is a plus sign to create a power plant and fill in the necessary information to your power plant. And there are 3 points here. Click it and add the Wi-Fi module logger. And it'll jump to the scanning interface. Scan the QR code on the Wi-Fi module. And it will jump to the Wi-Fi configuration guide. Click it. Okay, then you will jump to the Wi-Fi configuration page. Select the Wi-Fi you wanna connect. But here, remember not to select the 5G network because Wi-Fi module doesn't support the 5G yet. So just select a normal Wi-Fi. So everyone, you can see my screen again. Just now we have a problem with the network. Okay, let's continue the installation guide. Okay, just now we talked about when it jump to the Wi-Fi network testing. Wait a moment, and it will ask you to connect the Wi-Fi give out from your Wi-Fi module. Okay, select the Wi-Fi and the password is this, the PWD on the nameplates on the Wi-Fi module. So then press the return button to the phone to return to the page, device configuration, the figure 10, and click the connect. And wait a moment, wait for about 2 minutes. The Wi-Fi will configure automatically. When you see the configuration succeed, that means the network configuration is complete. Click done button. And you are back to the device page. You will see the logger is offline. You can click refresh, and 1 minute later, the Wi-Fi module logger will turn to be online. So that you will see all the operation data of the inverter on this app, just like these pages.